Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Infiniti QX60. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked before starting the connection process. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings menu. Locate the Bluetooth option and make sure it is turned on. It is also important to confirm that your device is discoverable, allowing your Infiniti to detect it during the pairing sequence. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection. Now let's move to your Infiniti QX60 infotainment system. Begin by pressing the setting button located on your control panel. On the display screen, you will see a Bluetooth option. Touch this to enter the Bluetooth settings menu. From there, select Connect Device and then Add New. This action prepares your vehicle to search for and pair with your mobile device, getting you ready for the next step. With your vehicle in pairing mode, check your mobile device's Bluetooth list. You should see your Infiniti QX60 appear, often labeled as My Car or QX60. Select this name on your phone to begin the connection. A 4-digit PIN will then display on both your car's screen and your phone. Confirm that these numbers match exactly, then accept the connection on your phone to complete the secure pairing process. Once paired, your vehicle's display will show a confirmation, often with a Bluetooth symbol, indicating a successful connection. To enjoy audio, press the Media or Disc Auxiliary button several times until Bluetooth audio appears on the screen. You can now stream music, make hands-free calls, and use voice commands. Control your audio and calls conveniently using the vehicle's touchscreen or the buttons on your steering wheel, enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.